So today I'm going to be showing you all how to make a very easy hairstyle that can be completed in 10 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, in 10 minutes. This is your go-to hairstyle when you're in a rush, like you're rushing off to church with your kid, you're rushing off to school, you name it, or your little one can't sit long for a hairdo. You know, something you can get over with as soon as you get into it. So with no further ado, let us dive right into this video. As you guys can see, I've already begun the hair. I've moisturized our hair with a leave-in conditioner. Next, I parted out a straight line from one ear to the other, and after that I parted out this line that I'm currently working on, or that I'm cleaning out. Yeah, just not big, not too big, not too small, somewhere in between, or let's say probably big. Yeah, and I'll slick that down and then I will start cornrowing. So I cornrow till the line I parted out, and I will braid out or cornrow out. Again, I will part out another line, clean out the line with some shine and jam, slick it down, brush it in, and cornrow again. After I was done cornrowing these two, I went ahead to cornrow the same thing on this other side of camera. Well, not completely. So we are left with the middle. Technically, I parted 6 parts at this front, 2 cornrow on one side, 2 cornrow on the other side. Then I was left with 2 at the middle, which I won't be cornrowing. So I will slick out the hair, brushing everything, and this is what I'll be using to style the front. Rubber bands, well, not rubber bands, elastic bands. I parted at that front. So I'll just, tie the rubber band around it, or elastic band. I'll just tie it in with an elastic band. This band doesn't break. Okay, that is why I went for it. It doesn't break at all. I'll do the same on this other side. This is like we are creating a crisscross pattern at this front. So I'll go ahead to part out another line, which I'll further crisscross the one at the left to this one that I'm combing out. That is this blue one, because I'm using separate rubber bands for each of them. I'm using blue and pink rubber band on each of the lines. So yeah, I will crisscross the pink one onto this blue one, and literally that is practically it. So I will just leave you guys to it, to watch it. Okay, before I stop talking, I am twisting before I add to or rather I am twisting before I crisscross to the next part. I don't know if you guys are getting me. Like, before I put the hair at the front to the I don't know. Yeah, before I crisscross the hair, I will twist like this. Yeah. And that's pretty much it for this style. The rest of the things we're gonna do from here is nothing, honestly. This is just like, this is the most important stage of this style. Okay, so I'm just gonna cornrow that out, or rather, sorry, I'm just gonna braid that out, and I'll go ahead to comb out the back of her hair. I'll part out the middle, yeah, starting from the back. In case your child have a longer hair, this style will be easier for you. It will be more favorable for a child with longer hair. Adobe's hair is very thick, not only thick and short as well. So you can imagine the struggle I went through sticking down her hair. But anyway, we did that. So after after parting out the middle, I cleaned out the line, and I just put that side out with a rubber band, not like I was done with styling it. So this is the part I am styling. So I moisturize it first of all, and yeah, I brush it in, and now I am tying with a band. So guys, this is the style of this hairstyle. This is called detachable braiding ponytail. See, once you have this for your child around the house, just say bye bye to bushy hair. Like, you have no problem at all. You can create hairstyle for your child in less than 10 minutes, any day, anytime, with this detachable braiding ponytail. And I have this in 3 different styles that I'll be trying on Adobe. To get yours, do send a DM to colors_n_kids on IG. I'll be leaving the name on the screen. Colors with Z_n_kids with Z on IG. Send a DM to them to get yours. And did I mention that these are handmade? Yes, they are handmade. So it is durable and it lasts long because it is carefully made. So back to the hair. I haven't been explaining what I'm doing, but not to worry, we still have 2 more to install. I will definitely explain everything I did. But look at the first one. See how beautiful and colorful this looks. One good thing about this is you can always change the bow tie clip. You can change it if you don't like this color, if you don't like how bold it is. You can change it to something you like, and you can remove it entirely, just like this. Okay, moving on to the next one. This has no bow tie. This has bow accessory, something like that. And to install this, I'll place it at the top of her hair, not down, and I'll start tying it like tightly. Start tying it round the bone and then put it down, covering the bone. Like, yeah, that bone that I made, I will just put it down to cover everything up, and it is hidden. You can't see nothing. You can't see it anymore. Let me explain again. Like, I'll place it from the top. I'll place the the detachable ponytail from the top, and I'll start tying it around the bone tightly. Okay, emphasis on tightly. And after that, I will use it to cover it up. Bring it on top. I'll cover it up, and the bone is hidden literally. See how easy this is to install. Just in case your child have a very long hair, you might not need any hairstyle at the front, like anything. You can just part the hair into 2 and tie it up, braid it out, and tie it down, and then you put this detachable ponytail on it, and your child is good to go. It looks so good, it looks so beautiful. And yeah, that is it for the second one. I'll go ahead to uninstall it. Is that correct? Or uninstall it, whichever one. For the last and not the least, I have locks. Yeah, these are 4 locks, and those beads are busy wrapping Ghana flag. Like, it looks so cute, so beautiful. Anyways, I'll just go ahead to install it how I have been doing others. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There is nothing tricky. In fact, they are all easy to install. Okay, and this comes with butterfly cleves, giving that whole butterfly 4 lock thingy. See here, you see how big, how chunky these 4 locks look. Don't be deceived. These are very, very light. And look at my baby girl. Oh my god, this has got to be the easiest hairstyle I've made on Adobe, no cap. I know I say that a lot. At this point, I don't even know, but this hairstyle is so easy. It's so easy. Take it from me. Like, I installed 3 different ponytails at a go. Anyways, if you've watched to this point, do give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Share this video and quickly send a DM to Kids and Colors to get yours. Bye.